We're taking a look at a demo site here that shows how we can use Smart Ad. I think this is really going to be a good option. It turns out it's a whole lot better than what we've been trying to implement up until now. We looked through a lot of options. Most of them didn't work very well at all. And we were trying to set you up with something that could be well supported for a long time to come. And we think this is going to fit all of your needs. So the way this works is you add a new campaign for any ad area on the site that you're wanting to fill in with something. And so we're going to make this be an embed. That's what most of the time you're going to be doing if you ever create a new campaign. If you click on the campaign that we just created, you can rename it, and this would be something like footer thumbnail ads or something of that sort. And then over here we have to activate it, make sure the campaign as a whole is activated. You can make it so that the individual that the campaign itself has categories, and so you could make it be varsity. That's one of our categories we have on here already, and you could say that's going to show up on any of the things of that sort. But most of the time that's not what you all are going to be doing. Instead, you're going to be doing that on individual ads, which is the key component we were missing with our previous plugin that we were using. And so we have an ad type of image, and we click add, and then we have it here, and you can choose what category you want it to show up in. And we already have varsity set up on this demo site, so it's there. You can also set it up so that it's excluded. Sometimes that's going to be a better option for you, perhaps. Down here under options, you get to say where you want it to link to, and we're just going to say google.com for right now. And you can choose an image, and we have one that's already here that's just a random one. And you have a few other choices you can make about schedule and such, but a lot of times you're just going to leave that blank. Once you have that all set up, then you're going to click Update All, and that is updated now. And you have this shortcode here so that you have control over where it goes if you want to put it somewhere else. We're going to set everything up for you so that it's set up in the basic right places in the first place, and that's going to be done through putting shortcodes inside of widgets on the site. But there are other ways that you could do that as well. If you want to put it inside an individual post as a special ad or something of that sort, then you could get it there. But we're gonna set most of that up for you right now. And so then we have the shortcode here on this sample post, and you can see that it's categorized as varsity. We click preview, and it's kind of a bunch of other snazzy stuff pop up that they've set up on the demo site. But then we also have this right here. And so we have this image, and you can click on it, and it takes you to Google. And then we would get all the sizing right, of course, and things of that nature. But we think this is going to work well. And let's refresh this and just see if those stats updated. It does have a stats section. Oh, it took me all the way back there. Let's go back over here. So then we can look at statistics, and we can see that I had one click, one view and one click. That was me, and you get a nice little chart here. You can take those things and download a CSV or PDF of what's happened, so you can send that to your clients and set certain dates that you want to look at to compare and so forth. And you can look at statistics for the whole campaign as well if you want to. That'd be for the sake of your own benefit more than for the benefit of the client, probably. Let us know what you think. Assuming that you like that, we're going to get that implemented. We can make sure that we get that done right away. We will make sure that it can happen on Monday, assuming that this all looks good to you. We just want to make sure before we go and implement it all that then it does meet all your needs. You think this looks like it will work well for you. So just give us the word and we'll be ready to go.